Do you feel overwhelmed trying to figure out how you can stand out in what we know to be a saturated market in this coaching space? Well, don't worry. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through 3 quick strategies that you can begin to implement and leverage so that you can stand out and magnetize those dream clients right to you. The first strategy is to leverage your authenticity. I see it far too much, and it is so frustrating to me, but we have what I call copycat coaches, where we watch what someone else is doing and then we mirror and match what they're doing because we see it work for them and we assume that it must work for us as well. I saw a meme that had a picture of 2 people swimming and they're in a lane essentially, and one person is focused on the finish line and the other person was focused on the person who was focused on the finish line. And who do you think ultimately won? The person who won was that who was focused on the finish line. They weren't worried about what anyone else was doing. And this is how we have to approach our business. We have to understand that we are called to do things uniquely, to do things in a special way. And if we're trying to watch what everyone else is doing, we're never going to be able to truly leverage our greatest gift, which is our authenticity. The truth is, people buy from you because they resonate with you and your story. And your brand is just sprinkles on top of the beautiful cake. And so showcase who you are. Showcase your values. Tell a little bit about yourself and help people to resonate and relate to you on a deeper level. And you'll notice they can't help but continue to flock to you, and you'll be the talk of the town before you even know it. Oh, and as an added bonus, you end up building your business sustainably because you're not trying to force yourself to be something that you're not. You get to just fully be you, which is such a freaking blessing. The second way to stand out in this online space is to use a proven framework or strategy to help your clients get from point A to point Z. Too many times we make these big promises and big claims of the way that we can support and provide and facilitate transformation, but a lot of times it's not proven. And so do you have a proven system or a process that you walk people through that you can tell them about? This will really help you to stand out in this space. And if you're wondering what your coaching superpower is and how you can leverage that and turn that into a framework, use the link below so you can sign up for the free What's Your Standout Coaching Strategy quiz, where you're going to learn how to sink into your gifts, maximize your potential, and elevate and expand your brand. Finally, the third strategy in order to effectively stand out in this online space as a coach is to paint a clear picture of what people are going to get when they work with you. Far too often, we talk about these amazing wins and these amazing things that take place, but we don't paint a clear picture of what that means. So, for example, if you're a blended family coach, what are people going to feel when they work with you? What will their blended family be like? What will their role now feel like? Maybe you're a coach that does mindset. Well, what does mastering a mindset really mean? And how does their life look after they've committed to working with you? When you paint the picture and you make it so real, clients can't help but be magnetized to you so that you can support them at being able to see it through. So, which of these strategies are you willing to start practicing, using, and leveraging within your business? I dare you to give it a try because you're going to notice a massive shift, and that's where the magic happens.